Hey guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I did this lovely head wrap. So this is just me, and first of all you may want to either have your hair covered if probably you're on low cut or you didn't make your hair, but if you actually made your hair you may want to just pack your hair in a way that it doesn't disturb you. You get 2 rubber bands which I already showed earlier, and of course your safety pin. It could be more than one, so you may not just need one. So now this is the gele I'm using, and you can see it has 3 attachments or segments, and the length of the gele I'm using, or the head wrap, is just an arm's length, meaning if I stretch my hands wide, that is just the length of the head wrap. So you may want to fold it into half, 2 equal halves. From the width part you want to fold it into equal halves. So then the next thing you want to do is ensure that it is bent into 2 equal halves, into a 50-50 state, and you may just want to make a pleat or some pleats. I made 3 pleats here so that I still have some gele left to grip my head. So you may want to make 3 or 4 as you please. Okay, so you want to work with the length of the gele so that your gele is not too long or too short. So you can see I am covering, I put the gele from the back of my head, and ensure your gele always covers your ears. This is for it to ensure that it is tight initially before you do your adjustment much later. So now I am adjusting my pleats. Now you want to twist it at the center of your face. You want to use your nose bridge as a center portion. Now because I'm twisting it and I'm just the only one, I will use a pin to pin that twisted part so that it is well gripped, because if it's not gripped well at this point, it may not be gripped well. The entire head wrap may not be gripped well. So now I'm just going to be stuffing this here because we are going to get back to it, and I don't want it to disturb what I'm trying to achieve. Now for this hand, you're going to spread it wide, and you are just going to grab the edge and bend it so that you have enough space at the upper part. This is where your rubber band comes in, and you want to use your rubber band to tie it. You may want to tie it 2 or 3 times depending on how strong your rubber band is. If you're not comfortable using a rubber band, I don't know what else you can use. However, whatever works for you. You can also use a blue band so it can be well camouflaged. However, for this part, I think rubber band will also be easy, and of course it's also better to use. But if you have other options, well, you can as well make do of them. Now you can see I'm spreading it out to form like a fan, and I'm just going to pin the first part. Always try to make your pin or pin your head wrap from beneath so that it doesn't look tacky with all of the pins showing here and there. So now I'm going to go ahead and take that other hand that we have kept in, because we are going to make use of it. Now I'm going to be bringing, you saw how I brought it under that fan. So while I pin the other side down, so you can see this other hand is hanging forward in front of my face, while I'm going to pin the other part of the fan from the other hand. I'm just going to be pinning it from under. Okay, so now I'm spreading it, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing I did to the other one. I spread it and I grab it from beneath so that the upper part can be full and easy to spread. So now I'm going to take my second rubber band. You can see for this head wrap you would need 2 rubber bands, and I actually doubled it and I tied it 3 times. So I doubled it, and when I saw it wasn't tight enough, I went ahead to give it a method go. So you can see this is how it will look like. Then what we are going to do is we are simply going to spread it out like we did the other one, but this time we are going to be spreading it out into a circle portion, so it just comes out like a little flower in front. Now you're going to take your pin and you're going to also pin it from the under part. And this is where the beautiful part comes in, as you're just basically going to be styling it to your taste. So the small flower, you can pin it to the other fan. This is so that the rubber band that you used may not be showing from the side. So you may just want to pin it with wisdom and smartly, so that it doesn't show, it doesn't look tacky, and it also looks elegant like a Gen Z body. So now you want to top it up by putting your earrings. If you've already dressed up, then of course you're already good to go. Then if you have done your makeup, then so it be. So I'm just going to wear my earrings now. So here's the final look. If you did your hair, you had the hairdo, you may want to leave it to fall at that part. However, if you were on low cut, you may have wanted to cover it with your gele. I'll also be doing a tutorial on how you can cover it if you're on low cut or you didn't do your hairdo. So you can say this is the final look and it's giving everything it should give. If you've watched up to this point, do want to smash the like button and subscribe for more as I post content. You can also join my Telegram channel, which I will leave the link in the description, so that you can always see my latest updates. Stay tuned and bye.